Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, when I went to go to work today, I smelled a funny smell coming from my AC, so I figured it's time to replace the cabin air filter. Let's jump into the truck and I'll show you how that's done. So first things first, we gotta go to Walmart or any other auto parts store and pick up our cabin air filter. This is the one I picked from Walmart for super cheap. You can check online or the little digital thing that they have or book that you can flip through and find out which one works best for your vehicle. This is the one that works for the Tacoma. Our cabin air filter is located in the glove box, back behind the glove box, sorry. So we're gonna open that up, get all the junk out first, and go from there. All right, if you're like me and you have a bunch of junk, let's get that out first. I think with this divider, we might be able to get it done. Basically, you need to get all the stuff out of there. There we go. So right back in there, you have to basically pull the sides of the glove box inward to get it past the landings right here, the stoppers right there. So if you have that much junk in there and you're not able to squeeze this and get that stopper out of the spot there, get the junk out of there first, and let's show you the next thing. So back here, this is on the passenger side. There's this arm right here. Basically, we're gonna take this, pop that out. And like I said before, we're gonna squeeze the sides of the glove box here and get that stopper out of its spot, and this is going to drop all the way down. I'll kind of show you that. All right, we're going to squeeze the sides of the glove box here, and it should drop down if everything's out of the way. There we go, just like that. So you squeeze the sides, it drops down right here, and then we're going to look back inside. I'll get you guys a good look at that here real quick. So now that we have our glove box dropped down, there are these little arms right here that we're basically just gonna push down, and it should unclip. There we go. There's our old filter. We're gonna grab that out of here, and you're probably gonna see leaves and twigs and all that sort of dirty junk out of there. Make sure you have a vacuum with you to suck some of that stuff out, but let's go ahead and remove the old one. Oh geez, check that out. It was definitely time to get this done. Holy cow. So yeah, that is dirty. It was time to get this done. Basically, I mean, it's a good idea, obviously, to get your cabin air filter replaced every once in a while. Check your owner's manual, those kind of things. Check online on how often to get that replaced. But basically what this allows, when you replace this, it allows clean air to come through your AC system, through your vents, and stops all the pollution, outside pollution, allergens, allows your AC system and things like that to run a little bit better. So anytime you're doing this, it just kind of helps those things. Let's go ahead and get the new one installed. So on the new one here, you see how it says airflow and there's an arrow pointing down. Basically that's going to be the bottom. So we're going to insert it like this, and just kind of be careful using the stiffer sides here to push it in. Once that's all the way in, we just kind of go in reverse. We clip everything back up together like we did before, and that is all said and done. Basically, this thing's back on. Make sure that looks good. Take our glove box and be careful with those little stoppers there. There's one on each side. And then we're going to attach the, my arm came all the way out, but basically we're going to attach that little arm back where we took it out of. Once you got that all attached again, also put your junk back in there, right, and get it done. I wanted to bring this quick, short, and easy video to you guys just to, make you aware of those kind of things and get those changes done. But if you found this helpful, drop a comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.